this a little bit smaller. E for extrude. That's probably quite a thickness on that one. E for extrude until we get to roughly the bottom. Now they tend to have quite thick bases to them, so we're going to emulate that on here. E for extrude again, S for scale, E for extrude, S for scale. Quite a basic thing to do now. Just going to bring that up a little bit. E for extrude, scale, and there we have the basic kind of look to the glass. Just going to shade smooth this, right click. Then we've got to make the handle, but before we make the handle I want to make the glass for you to show you what to do. So I'm just going to add a plane so that you guys can see. I'm going to put it onto the rendered mode, click this object, we're going to go to material, add new, and we're going to go to surface. We're going to go with glass. Now you'll notice that the glass is very faded, it's very rough, so just going to pull the roughness down, and this is what you should be left with. So now we notice that it doesn't really look that glass-like, so we're going to mess around with the IOR until we can get it to the right thickness that we need. So generally I go with something like that. You can't really judge the background on this very well, so what I'm going to do, you don't need to do this, but I'm just going to add some random objects in the background and just add some colour to those as well. So got a green one, let's make a few greens. It's just so that you guys can see the glass and you can see the reflections and stuff. Just ignore me for 2 seconds. And new assign. There we go, it's pink. Let's go with pink. Why not? Right, so back to object mode. So now what you should see is that there's a little bit of pink on the inside there of the glass, if you can see that as I'm rotating it. Just little drops of pink, so that's actually the reflection of the pink. Just going to scale that a little bit. Now, if you notice for the glass, there's the reflection of the pink right there. So that is